Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how you can set up your Repurpose.io account. The first thing you need to do is you need to sign up with your Google account. When you sign up with your Google account, you will get something like this, but there will be nothing. So the first thing you need to do is you will have to create new workflows. When you create new workflows, you have to choose your source and your destination. The source is where you will get the content from, and the destination where you will put your the type of content you would want to upload. So you select the connection, either source or video. For example, if I want long form videos, I will have to choose YouTube, and also YouTube for posting YouTube shorts, converting long form videos into YouTube shorts. So the next thing we'll have to do is creating new workflow. When you click on that, click new workflow, it will come up like this. You'll have to name the workflow, and you'll have to choose a source, you have to choose the action, and also you'll have to choose a destination where you will post. When you do that, it will ask you to give snippets or the type of content you would want, and then you will do next, and you'll have to save. When you save, you will have your connections like this, and also your workflows working with whatever you have tasked Repurpose to do. So these are the basic steps of setting up with Repurpose.io. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.